Hi crafty friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Today we're going to do a diamond art club, and this is called Flower Crazy by Sandra Winther. And guys, I have been, every time I wanted to order this, it was always out. So I'm so glad that it came back. I think I tried like 3 or 4 times and it was always out. So anyway, from Diamond Art Club, comes in this beautiful box, very shiny, and it's a square, because it says square, and it's usually blue. Excuse me. And it's got scan me, unlock 10% off. And in the back, it basically tells you what's inside the box, the kit, and how it works. Instructions, step by step. All right. All right, so let's open this baby up. Very exciting. So we have the kit, and we also have the small sticker, and you could either put this in your logbook or you could put it underneath the box. So when you put the boxes away, your paintings, it's right there at the bottom, and you know what painting is inside the box. Okay, let's get this out. And let's move the box out of the way. Okay, so we said the small sticker, and it comes with 2 stickers, a big one and a small one. So let's cut this baby up. I'm sort of losing my voice today. Okay. So, ooh, I see something. I see a little flower. I love it already, guys. So look at this. Look at this cover minder, guys. It's a beautiful flower. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, it comes with the resealable bags. It comes with this beautiful, wow, washi tape. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this. It's very shiny. I love it. And it always comes with some wax in the container in the shape of a heart. The power grip, I think that's what they call it. I call it a scrunchie. That's for the pen, so your fingers won't hurt. And it's in purple. I don't know if I have purple, do I? And it comes with 2 placers and this wonderful tray. And of course, let's not forget the pointy tweezers. Okay, so let's put all this aside. Wow, I love that washi tape and the cover minder. Okay, let's put that over there so it'll be out of the way. And the sticker. Okay, so all the canvases from Diamond Art Club come in these plastic bags. So you can put them back in the bag if you're not working with them yet. It feels a little heavy, but it's because of the drills. So let's get the drills out and the paperwork. Oops. It always comes with a thank you for your purchase, what's in the kit, tips and tricks, and step-by-step instructions. Okay, let's put that aside. And this is the big sticker that I was talking about. It's got the beautiful picture, Flower Crazy, by Sandra Winther. You put down the start date, the end date, and this you can put in your logbook. And we mentioned before, it's a square. It's 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters. It's got 47 colors. Okay, and it's got 2 ABs. So basically 45 colors plus 2 ABs, which is 47. And this is individual stickers, so you can put them on your containers. Okay, very nice. So let us look at this beauty. Let's start from the bottom. Okay, the bottom, it always tells, it gives you a picture. It comes from Diamond Art Club, Flower Crazy. It tells you the centimeters, 56 centimeters by 74 centimeters. And it also tells you in inches, 22 inches by 29 inches. And it's by Sandra Winther, Diamond Art Club. Okay, it's just licensed artwork. And over here, it tells you, use this code, take 10 for 10% off your next order. And then it's got a lifetime warranty. And it also has a free diamond spill insurance. And also a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, let's open up this beauty, guys. Look at, oh my gosh, look at all the flowers already. Oh Jesus. All right, let's see. And look at how beautiful she is. Okay, let me curl it the other way. And let me tell you a little bit about Sandra, the artist. So Sandra is a digital artist who loves to create original fantasy art. And she also loves whimsical and painting powerful women, which I love. And she has been doing this for, I think, a little bit more than 10 years. Wow, this is very bright and very colorful and very clear. I love it. Okay, so let's look over here. So it's got a legend on the left-hand side on the top, and it's got another legend on the right-hand side on the bottom. And like we mentioned before, it's got in total 47 colors. So it tells you how many, can you see that? It tells you how many colors, it tells you the symbol, and it gives you the color code, which is the DMC. Okay, you know what? There's no 310s in this? Wow. I can't believe that. All right. So what else? On the top, it always tells you do what makes you sparkle. And let us look at this beautiful, look at this girl, guys. Look at her beautiful face. Don't you just love her glasses? I love her glasses. And I love her curly hair and all the flowers around her. And her nice little outfit. See her outfit right there? And then she's got a huge sunflower in the middle of her shirt or blouse or dress, whatever she's wearing. And more sunflowers around her. And all different types of flowers. And then, of course, let's not forget the beautiful sun hat that she's wearing. A very cool sun hat, and with tons and tons of flowers. And I love the yellow background. It gives it a soft, subtle look. I like that. I like that. I love this, actually. Okay, so let's look at the drills. All right, let us begin. So we got 209, which is a purple. I'll put it here. Hopefully you can see it there. This is 211. It's a lighter purple. 300. It's a very pretty brown. 312. It's a blue. 322. It's another blue. And 333. It's like a blue purple. Very pretty. Okay. This one's 340, a lighter purple, looks like blue purple. 350, it's like a red orange. 351, like also a red orange but lighter. 352, it's a very, very pretty, maybe a coral, I don't know. 355, it's like a brown, red. And 356, there's two of these, 356. Then you have 435, a brown, light brown. Oops. 436, a lighter brown. And 437, even a lighter brown. Okay, this one's 452, and this is like a very, very light purple. And 597 is like a blue, which I love. And 598, it's another blue. A lighter light blue. Okay, now we're entering, these look like orange, 741. Very pretty, very pretty. Love these. Oops, I'm out of the picture. Okay, 741. Let's move them over here. And then you have 743, a yellow. 745 is a lighter yellow. 754 is like a peach. 758, darker peach. And 799, very pretty. It's like a light blue purple. And let's see what we have over here. 938, it's like a dark brown. This one is 957, very light pink. 992, very pretty green. And 3325 is a blue. Now this one is 3371, and it's like a dark chocolate. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 packets of 3371. That's a lot. Okay, let's see. I think we could do one more row. Let me push these up a little bit more. 3607, a pink. 3608, a lighter pink. 3609, even lighter pink. 3705, I don't know, it's like a red, orangey. 3706, 3746, purple. And 3778, it's like a very pretty orangey brown. Can you see that? Nope, you can't see that. So let's move all these aside. All right, let's move this one up here now. Like I said, this is 3778. Almost finished, guys. 3808, very pretty blue green. 3809, another one, but lighter than this one. 3810. Okay, slide them all there here. 3823, oh, very pretty light yellow. Love that color. 3830. 3837, it's a purple. And 3841 is a very, very light blue. 3854, it's like an orange yellow. Very pretty. Of course, I love them all. And 3855 is a yellow, darker yellow than that one. Okay, so those are the last. And then like we mentioned, the two ABs. So this is the AB 131. Super pretty. Look at that. Very shiny, and it's that beautiful yellow. I wonder if this is for the sunflowers. And 141, it's like white. And one hitchhiker right there. You see that? Yeah. Okay, so let's figure out where these ABs go. Let's bring back that beautiful flower crazy. Look at that face. Okay, so let's see. The yellow 131, according to the legend, it says it's symbol 131, which is this AB, and wherever you see symbol 1, that's where these ABs go. So let's see. Okay, yep, I already see it. Very, very visible. It's right there. The white on the sunflower. You have more here on this sunflower. More here on the sunflower. Let's see, where else? Yep. And this flower here has it also. And on her golden locks. Right here at the bottom, there's some white. Right here. I mean, some white, some yellow, I'm sorry. And more on the big sunflower and all the sunflowers. So, okay. And let's move that aside. Any in her eyes? Nope. Okay, so 141 is number 2, the symbol. So wherever we see number 2, yep. And it looks like number 2 is just sprinkled everywhere. See, you have 2 on the red flower, some here on the purple. It's basically sprinkled all over the flowers. Yep. Some on her eyes, some on her nose, some on her face. Maybe to make it look like freckles. I don't know. Some on her lips, some on her hair, some on her shoulders or chest here, on her neck. Wow, it's everywhere. And some on the flowers. So that one, number 2, which is color is white, is sprinkled everywhere. And the yellow ABs is mostly on the yellow flowers. So that's about it. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot, because I always forget something. Let's check to see how sticky it is, guys. Sorry about that. Super sticky. Okay. And let me bring her up so you can see how clear she is. So let's start from the top. I can't show you everything, but it won't fit in the frame. But you see how clear that is? Let's show her beautiful eyes. Look at those eyes, guys, and those glasses. And her skin tone, love it. She's absolutely gorgeous. So, yep. And let me pick up the beautiful sunflower so you can see that. Look at that, guys. It's gorgeous. All right, so that's about it. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, and thank you.